Hi, I'm David, Director of Product Marketing here at LG. For the past 12 years, LG has been the world's #1 best-selling OLED TV brand. Today, I'm going to introduce the LG OLED EVO G5 TV. With next-gen AI for a smarter, personalized experience and spectacular bright room-ready picture. The LG OLED EVO G5 is powered by the Alpha AI processor for even better and more customized picture and performance. LG's brightest, most vivid OLED EVO is 45% brighter than its predecessor, thanks to LG's exclusive breakthrough technology, Brightness Booster Ultimate, all while still delivering perfect black and perfect color powered by 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels. And the G5 is exceptional both inside and out, with its one-wall design that leaves virtually no gap between the wall and TV. Search less and stream more thanks to the next generation of LG webOS 25. With quick cards, you can group your favorite apps and use the Magic Remote to easily find exactly what you're looking for, like instant access to over 300 free channels with LG Channels. And with the webOS Renew program, you'll get the latest webOS upgrades every year, so your TV will always feel brand new. Plus, with a 5-year panel warranty, you can watch on and on with confidence and peace of mind, knowing that we stand behind our premium LG OLED EVO TVs. Thank you, and I hope you get to enjoy our LG OLED EVO G5 for yourself. Choose perfection. Choose LG OLED EVO.